Let's now go to guasha. Let's discuss sources of body toxin. The sources of body toxin, where does toxin in the body come from? Is it due to the internal reason or the external reason? In fact, the generation of toxin is closely associated with our daily habits and the changes of our surrounding environment. For instance, the lack of physical exercise and improper diet can all lead to the accumulation of toxin in the body. In general, toxin in the body comes mainly from three aspects: substances from metabolism, unclean food, and the intrusion of exogenous pathogenic factors. The accumulation of metabolites within the body. Our bodies are metabolizing all the time, inevitably leading to the generation of metabolites, which are the sources of most of the toxin in the body. In normal circumstances, toxin can be expelled timely, keeping the body in metabolic balance. However, the lack of physical exercise will result in the deduction of the mechanism of expelling toxin. These metabolized substances, if attached to the intestinal walls and the walls of blood vessels for a very long time, would be reabsorbed by the body, giving rise to constant accumulation of toxin and harming the body, leading to the decay of memory, fatigue, unhealthy complexion, constipation, and acceleration of aging. Usually, there are several kinds of metabolic waste in the body. First, the free radical is one of the main elements to cause human aging. An appropriate amount of free radical can prevent human body from being intruded and harmed by chemical substances and other exterior evil substances. However, excessive free radicals will generate a very strong effect of oxidation, intruding and harming human cells and leading to aging and dark skin. Second, cholesterol. An appropriate amount of cholesterol is beneficial to the human body. However, excessive cholesterol will add burden to the liver and increase the amount of cholesterol in blood, causing hyperlipemia, as arteriosclerosis, and fatty liver. Too much lipid in blood will make blood thicker. Normal blood flow requires greater pressure, adding burden to the heart and the burden to the walls of blood vessels against pressure, resulting in high blood pressure. Precipitation of lipid on the inner walls of blood vessels obstructs normal blood flow, being apt to result in thrombus. Accumulated excrement. This is likely to result in diseases of anus and intestines as well as colon cancer. Accumulated excrement is also an important cause of cardiovascular diseases. Uric acid, lactic acid, and blood stasis are also toxins which should not be overlooked. Therefore, to avoid the accumulation of metabolites in the body, one should develop the habit of doing physical exercise frequently, since it can maintain and stimulate the normal functions of various human organs. Examples promoting the function of liver and kidneys, intestinal movement, blood circulation, and sweat expulsion. These are all conducive to expelling toxin from human organs. The lack of physical exercise and the accumulation of various metabolites mentioned above will threaten health at any time. Thank you for your attention.